So Senate Bill 1 provides transportation funding for the long term. This is an ongoing revenue source to be able to improve transportation in California. But pre-SB-1, we were falling behind on the condition of our infrastructure, and now Senate Bill 1 provides the revenue where we can start catching up. The projects that we're talking about today are only the first staunch of projects, and going forward we're going to be able to make a larger investment in the state highway systems as well as the local streets and roads to make them safer and improve condition. I think the one thing that I would like to say about Senate Bill 1 is not only is it investing in bridges and roadways, but it also has competitive programs to reduce congestion, to improve the flow of goods, as well as make an investment in active transportation and transit. Senate Bill 1 has transportation funding for all modes and all operations of transportation system in California. So the opportunity today is for us to move forward with $43 million worth of projects in July to construction throughout the state of California. And it also gives us the opportunity to take projects from the second half of this year, the fiscal year, and accelerate it into this fall and spring to the tune of $243 million for smoother pavement throughout California. Yeah, not only will that investment in transportation improve the road condition, it'll also create jobs in the construction industry throughout California as well. The revenue from SB-1 doesn't start till November, but we can accelerate projects knowing that revenue is coming in. And it is putting a priority on bridges, safe bridges, smoother roads, as well as fixing drainage systems and culverts and our intelligent transportation systems that are out on the network as well.